The secret of the rainbow. Jake loved rainbows. One day, after a storm, he spotted a vibrant rainbow in the sky. He followed it, hoping to find its end. As he ran, he discovered a hidden glade filled with colors. In the center stood a wise old turtle named Oliver. "Welcome, young traveler. Do you seek the secret of the rainbow?" asked Oliver. Jake nodded eagerly. "The secret lies in sharing joy and kindness," Oliver explained. "Each color represents a different quality. Red for love, blue for peace, and yellow for happiness." Jake listened intently. Inspired, he promised to spread joy in his community. He returned home and organized a neighborhood party, inviting everyone to share laughter and happiness. As they celebrated, Jake felt the magic of the rainbow within them. He realized that the true treasure wasn't at the end of the rainbow but in the joy of togetherness. From that day on, he worked to keep the spirit of the rainbow alive, spreading love and kindness wherever he went. Jake learned that when we share our happiness, the world becomes a brighter place.